Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm just taking my office chair out for a ride. Just kidding. It's not an office chair. Let me just pull over to the side real quick and let me show you this crazy contraption. Look at this. Look at this. This is the 630 Recumbent Simple Glide. I believe that's what it's called. Recumbent. Recumbent? Yeah. That sounds right. That sounds... Yeah, look at this. That's crazy. It really does look like an office chair, like something I just took out of my office and I threw on a trike and said, all right, this was a good idea. No, but seriously, this is actually, it's actually really comfy. Yeah, it's different. It's a different experience, but wow, this is just very comfortable. I don't think I would have any back problems. If I had to ride this thing for a couple of hours, I could easily ride this just for a few hours and not be concerned about any kind of back problems. Yeah, and it keeps scratching up the pavement because it kind of wants to go. It wants to go. A little 630 wants to go. Motor's a little noisy, but honestly, I think the comfortable chair makes up for the noise. I can handle a little bit of noise while enjoying my ride. This is not bad at all. Ooh. Minus the fact that it wants to just go. Handlebars are a little weird. Not bad. It actually does add to the comfort a little bit with these being swept back so much. I don't know if you can see. Whoa. It's fine. And I swept back quite a bit. I do like these leather handle grips. Not bad. I like them. I like them. So I do have it in pedal assist 3 right now, and it's getting up to about, let's say, 12 miles an hour. So it's not terrible. Pedal assist 4, getting it up to, looks like about 16. And pedal assist 5. Getting it up to about 20 miles an hour. And I believe for the Simple Glide, 20 miles an hour was the top speed. Oh, my throttle color. Color. Interesting. My twisty throttle doesn't want to quite engage. I'm just riding along, trying not to disturb Dad, but Dad's over here doing a review on the eBike. So look forward to that little review of the eBike. We've been having some issues with it for the last 4 months. But we finally got it out on the road and we are getting acquainted with it. But let's see. I'm trying to decide. Dad stole my favorite spot to pull over and kind of look at bikes. So I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. So let me hop to it. Figure out where I want to go. I mean, I don't really have to go anywhere special. So let's take a look at this. It's not a bad looking bike. We are kind of familiar with what the 630 looks like. that off-white yellow tinted body with the orange. And you got the brown leather, which looks very beachy. You even got your little basket up here in the front where, you know, you could go to the beach and pack a little picnic. I don't know why these wire baskets make me nervous. I think it's because the Easy Transit that we had similar basket, and the wire just popped right off. So now I'm kind of wary of these baskets, and I want to be sure that I'm fragile with them. But yeah, I like it. It's not bad. It's not something that I would want to ride all the time, all over the place. I mean, it's not necessary. I'm okay riding with, you know, a normal saddle, but ooh, I can't tell. It's very humid out here, so hopefully you guys can see all the footage that I've gotten so far. Let's see. Pedal assist 1, engage the throttle. Okay, so it is taking off with throttle alone. I don't know why I was like kind of having a hiccup there earlier. Yeah, throttle works just fine. Whoa, stay there. Handlebars are just a little heavy. What's this? I'm not sure what that red button does. So I don't know any of the specs on this bike. This is just my first impression video. So far, interesting. I'm turning the throttle now and it doesn't want to go. I swear it's in pedal assist 1 right now. Pedal assist 2. Weird. Irk-a-dirk. Well, as far as comfort goes, I have to give it a 9 out of 10. Like, it's very stable, makes me feel comfy. I don't have to worry about falling off the bike. I could definitely ride on this thing for a few hours. But like I said, don't know a lot about this bike. Gonna have to get acquainted with it for probably a few rides before I have like a full review for you guys. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I got content for everybody, all sorts of stuff going on this channel. Oh man, that motor is very loud and annoying. Yeah, please ride responsibly and ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.